Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how to change your Internet Explorer PDFs to Adobe PDFs. So this is a PDF that I have downloaded on my desktop. And when I open it up like this, you might find that you have a perfectly fine copy that shows you all the comments. However, I have seen some that open with Internet Explorer that are not good copies. Those copies don't show you all of the comments, and that's not going to help you when you are trying to fix your errors. All right. So your icon might look a little different than mine. But let's look and see. So probably when you download your PDF from the comments, the one that where I've graded your paper, is probably going to go to your downloads. So find your graded paper, right click on it, using that right click button, go to your properties, go to change, click Adobe Acrobat DC, or anything that says Adobe Acrobat, hit apply, and hit OK. Now, if you don't have Adobe Acrobat, then you can download Adobe Reader for free online, and I've sent you a link to that in Teams.